Then we have ta. Ta looks like a kite. Kites are called tako in Japanese. This is actually a taco kite too. It looks exactly like a giant taco flying high in the sky. Tacos are all the rage these days. I don't know if you remember, but in the video about hiragana, we also talked about the Mexican dish, taco, and I said that in Japanese, taco means octopus. Now, here, it also means kite, and it's pronounced exactly the same way, taco, because sometimes the stress will change. So for example, we saw tatsu and tatsu. Tatsu is to stand up and tatsu is the dragon. So taco means both kite and octopus, though obviously the kanji will be different. 3 strokes, 1, 2, and 3. Then we have chi. How to remember it? Doesn't this look like a cheerleader doing a cheer? Hope they don't fall over. Very good. 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. Tsu. While so had 1 needle and a thread, tsu has 2 needles and a thread. Remember, needles are vertical because you use them to stab into cloth straight down. This will help you to differentiate this one from shi, which has more horizontal lines. Horizontal lines means it's a face. Vertical means it's needles, so this one has 2 needles. Tsu. 1, 2, 3. Te. This kinda looks like a telephone pole. Te. 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. To. How to remember it? It looks just like a totem pole. To. 2 strokes. 1, 2. Let's practice reading. So we have Tai. Tai. Tai is Thai, but it's also the name of the country, Thailand in Japan. Chia. Chia. So we had the cheerleader. Now it's actual cheering. Chia is cheer. Taitsu. Taitsu. So it's tights. Taitsu. Saute. Saute is a saute. Testo. Tesuto. So here we can devocalize the su in the middle and it makes testo. Testo. It's a test. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments, and don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. それではまた。